Hello friends, today in this video we will discuss about the exercise 1.1 about the chapter integer. In the previous video we had already understood about the methods and the formulas which are being used in addition as well as subtraction of the integers. So let us start with the exercise. Now in exercise 1.1 our first question is, that is, a number line is being given and certain temperatures are being given of the places. Usually the temperature of the places are of India. So I will read the question, that is question number 1. Following number line shows the temperature in degrees Celsius at different places on a particular day. In that, the A option is observe the number line and write the temperature of the places marked on it. So I had already, for doing the method in an easy way, I had already made a number line and the temperature which are of the places I had already written, and the temperature for Lahul Spiti is minus 8 degrees Celsius. The reason is the value in the number line, the value 0 is given and the Lahul Spiti temperature is on left hand side. So the temperature over here will be in minus. So Lahul Spiti is having minus 8 degrees Celsius. After that, Srinagar is having minus 2 degrees Celsius. That is, it is just beside only two numbers after before 0. So it is minus 2 degrees Celsius. After that, Shimla, it is having 5 degrees Celsius because the temperature is on the right hand side of the 0. So the values on right hand side is positive and the values on left hand side is negative. So for Shimla, it is 5 degrees Celsius. After that, for Ooty, it is 14 degrees Celsius. And similarly, last, Bangalore is having 22 plus 22 degrees Celsius. After that, there are further certain questions given related to that. So I will read the question. B is, what is the temperature difference between the hottest and the coldest places among the above? So from the number line you can see that most hottest place means the temperature which is having plus, that is, which is as much as in summer seasons we are having temperature 45 plus 40 temperature, so it is hotter. So the hottest temperature on this number line is 22, and the coldest place, that is, usually the coldest place the temperature goes in minus. So minus 8 is the coldest place. I had also written, that is, hottest place is minus 9 degrees Celsius and the coldest place is 22 degrees Celsius. Now the question given is, we have to find out the temperature difference. Difference means negative, that is, we have to do the negative sign. So over here I had already written that minus 8 minus of minus 8 degrees Celsius. So the temperature over here will become minus 22, that is 22, plus 8 minus minus 8 is plus 8. So this will be 30 degree Celsius, and this 30 degrees Celsius will be our final answer. After that, our C question is, what is the temperature difference between Lahul Spiti and Srinagar? So I had already written that temperature of Lahul Spiti is minus 8 degrees Celsius and Srinagar is minus 2 degrees Celsius. So the difference between both these numbers means, first of all, the number in difference, the number which is coming after, that is minus 2, will come first over here. So it was written that Lahul Spiti and Srinagar, so first we will write Srinagar. So minus 2. After that, Lahul Spiti is minus 8 and we have to do subtraction. So minus 2 minus of minus 8. So over here this will become minus 2 plus 8. So the final answer will be minus plus is minus, that is, this will be minus 2 plus 6 is 8 and the sign will be of greater number, that is +8. So this will be plus degree Celsius. In examination you have to take care that if it is written in temperature, so you have to write degree Celsius, otherwise the marks would be cut accordingly. After that, in D, it is asked that can we say the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than the temperature of Shimla? So over here, first we will find the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla. The temperature of Srinagar is -2 and of Shimla it is +5. So over here, this will become -2 +5. So this will be minus plus is again minus, so 2 minus 5 is 3, but the sign will be of greater number, that is plus. So this is plus 3 degrees Celsius. After that, I had also written the temperature of Shimla, that is 5 degrees Celsius. So the temperature, that is 3 degrees Celsius, is comparatively less than 5 degrees Celsius. And what is the question asked? That the temperature of combination of Srinagar and Shimla is less than only the temperature of Shimla. So yes, it is right. So we will write yes. After that, in continuation with that, it is also further asked that what is there? It is also less than the temperature of Srinagar. So for that, first we have to see what is the temperature of Srinagar. So over here, the temperature of Srinagar is, I will write down here, that is temperature of Srinagar is equal to -2 degrees Celsius. So over here, definitely -2 is less than 5 degrees Celsius. But over here, what it is written, that the temperature it is also less than Srinagar. Then answer is again yes, it is less than Srinagar. So we will write yes. Now we will discuss question number 2. That is, I will read the question first of all. In a quiz, positive marks are given for correct answers and negative marks are given for incorrect answers. If the Jack score in 5 successive rounds were 25, -5, -10, +15 and +10, then what is the total score of Jack at the end? So for this, whenever in any round or when you are calculating the marks, we are always doing plus of all the marks. So over here, similarly I had also done it, that is I had written all the numbers and doing addition of that. So 25 -5, so this will become 25 -5 because plus minus is minus. After that, -10 +15 +10. Now we will do the addition as well as subtraction from left side to the right side. So over here, 25 -5 is 20, -10 +15 +10. So again 20 -10 is 10 +15 +10. Now we will do the addition of all these numbers. So this will be 10 +15 is 25 and 25 +10 is equal to 35. So Jack had scored 35 marks in total. Now we will discuss question number 3. So first I will read the question. At Srinagar, temperature was -5 degrees Celsius on Monday. So I had written on Monday it is -5 degrees Celsius. After that, it dropped 2 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. Dropped means it had done negation, that is it had reduced. So for reduce, we are always taking negative sign. So the temperature on Tuesday will be -5 -2. So this will become minus minus is plus. So 5 + 2 is 7. But the sign will be of greater number, that is -7 degrees Celsius. You have to always take care of the units. So -7 degrees Celsius is on Tuesday. After that, further question is again asked. It rose by 4 degrees Celsius on Wednesday. Rose means it has increased. So when we are doing increased, so it will become +4. So on Tuesday it was -7. It rose by 4 degrees Celsius by +4. So -7 plus 4 will be minus plus is minus. So 7 minus 4 is 3. But the sign will be of the greater number, that is minus. So minus 3 degrees Celsius. So on Tuesday the temperature was -7 degrees Celsius and on Wednesday it was -3 degrees Celsius. I hope you all are getting what I am speaking. Now question number 4, that is, a plane is flying at the height of 5000 meter above the sea level. At a particular point, it was exactly above a submarine floating 1200 meter below the sea level. So I had already written the height of the plane above the sea level is 5000 meter and height below the sea level is 1200 meter. So we have to find out the temperature, that is, what is the vertical distance between them. In textbook you can also see the vertical figure, that is, it is from starting the sea level they had considered 0 and after that above the sea level is plus and below that is 1200. So as it is a vertical distance, so starting from 5000 we will go up to 1200. So the vertical distance will be plus, because 5000 is the upper distance and lower distance is 1200. We have to find the whole line, so we will do addition. So 5000 plus 1200 will be 6200 meter. So the vertical distance of the plane towards the sea level, that is below the sea level of submarine, is 6200. Now question number 5 is, Mohan deposited rupees 2000 in his bank account and withdraw rupees 1642 from it. If the withdrawal of amount from the account is represented by negative integer, then how will you represent the amount deposited? Find the balance in Mohan's account after the withdrawal. So I had already written that Mohan deposited amount is 2000 and Mohan withdrawn amount is rupees 1642. So the withdrawn amount is in negative sign. So the account remain balance is 2000 minus 1642, because it is already given in the question that the amount which is withdrawn is having negative sign. So 2000 minus 1642 is rupees 458. So this much is the balance which is remained in Mohan's account after his withdrawal. Now in question number 6, the distance is given, that is, firstly the west and east direction is given and from point A to B a distance is being covered. So for that first we will read the question, that is, Rita goes 20 kilometer from point A to point B. From B she moves 30 kilometer towards west along the same road. If the distance towards east is represented by positive sign, then how will you represent the distance towards west? By which integer you would represent her final position from A? That is, firstly what we will do, that I had for easy, firstly it is kilometer over here as well. So for this, from point B towards A, from point A towards B, the distance traveled is 20 kilometer. After that, from point B on the same path, the girl, that is Rita, traveled towards the west, that is 30. Over here this distance is already starting from this position to this position, already she had covered 20 meter. So we have to find out the remaining distance. So firstly the answer, that is, we are using over here is negative sign. The reason behind that is already she had traveled 30 meter and in that 20 meter is already been traveled. So the remaining distance travel will be 30 minus 20. So it will be 10 kilometer. This will be the final distance which she is going to travel. But over here we have to take care that the temperature 20 is already been done, so this will be plus 20 and it is going in opposite direction, so this will be minus 30. So the distance travel will be minus 10 kilometer, because plus minus is minus, so 30 minus 20 will be 10, but the sign of greater number will be considered, so the greater sign is having negative, so this will be negative. After that we will go to the next question, that is question number 7. In this, magic square is given and in that the numbers are having arranged in such a way that the addition of first row, second row, third row, similarly the addition of first column, second column, third column and the addition of all the two diagonals will be same. So we will see how is it possible. So first, addition of first row, that is this row. This will be 5 plus minus 1 plus minus 4. So this will be plus minus minus, so 5 minus 1 minus 4. So 5 minus 1 is 4 and 4 minus 4 will be 0. So for first row our answer is 0. Now for second row it is given that minus 5 minus 2 plus 7. So minus 5 plus of minus 2 plus of 7. So this will be minus 5 minus 2 plus 7. So this will be minus 5 minus 2 is minus 7. Minus 7 plus 7 is 0. So again for second row our answer is 0. Now for third row, that is the row given is 0, 3 and minus 3. So for third row this will be 0, minus 3 plus 3. Now minus 3 plus 3 is again 0. For third row it is again 0. Now we will discuss about the column, that is first column, second column and third column. For first column it is 5 minus 5 0. So I will write down, that is first column, it is 0 minus 5 plus 5. So again the answer is 0. For second column it is equal to, for second column it is minus 1 minus 2 plus 3. So minus 1 minus 2 plus 3. So this will be minus 3 plus 3. So this will be again 0. Now third column, the answers given are minus 4 plus 7 minus 3. So first we will do the subtraction. Minus 4 plus 7 is minus 3. Minus 3 or plus 3, it will be plus 3 because the sign of greater number is plus. So plus 3 minus 3 is again 0. Now we will do the diagonal. First diagonal is, diagonal means the slant line, that is 5 minus 2 minus 3. So again this will be 5 minus 2 minus 3. 5 minus 2 is 3. 3 minus 3 is again 0. And similarly last, that is second diagonal, it is given that 0 it is given 6 minus 2 minus 4, that is again 0. So you can see in all these columns it is given that if it is not compulsory that you have to do that first diagonal, second diagonal, it is irrelevant as well. You can consider from first row to all the columns. So this will be a magic square in that the summation of all the numbers will be giving the answer 0 only. So this is a magic square.